600 square meters at 1,500 pesos per square meter along Provincial Road located in San Isidro, Talibon, Bohol. So, along ni siya guys sa Provincial Road going to Bien Unido. So, mana siya guys. Owner is guiding us to the site. So, it's still northern part of Bohol province and located in San Isidro, Talibon, Bohol. So, kini nga property guys, going to Bien Unido na dool na ni sa near to the bridge. So, this is the what we call highway. This can be a highway zone. So, ang property, diri nga side kini. Then, you can see the post at my back and the beside of the backhoe. Mana siya, kanay may truck na diya ang mohon. Makita na ni posti sa isa pikas. So, mana siya guys, no? A total of 600 square meters. It's a clean title. Located in San Isidro, Talibon, Bohol. So, very nice. 1,500 pesos per square meter. Going to Bien Unido ha, atong otron, it's going to Bien Unido, Bohol. From Talibon, shortcut na ni sa Bien Unido. Although Bien Unido was a Talibon also. Now it is already a town. Northern part of Bohol. Okay. For inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. So, nindot ni pang residential guys. Diri na, aning backhoe. Paingon dito sa likod. Thank you.